Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new patterns on the dress to impress update. I'm just going to wear like a shirt here. I'm gonna just remove everything honestly, except for the shirt and the wand because I really like that wand. And I'm going to use a cute hairstyle right now. Hello, oh, there we go. And here are the new patterns for the latest Petal update. So go to patterns, and this one's new, this one's new, this one is new, I think. This one's new. These are new as well. These are new, and some of the patterns they did bring back. My gosh, cute. Can't really see it on the shirt, but there's this one. There's just a bunch of patterns. You can still favorite them. I don't know what they brought back. Actually, let's scroll down to see if there's more. What did they bring back? I don't actually know, but they did bring out some new patterns, so that's good. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!